Hello everyone. Welcome back to understand another real testing challenge. Manual documentation steals time from actual testing. As a tester, our primary goal is to find the defect, correct? And ensure quality. But in many projects, significant amount of time is spent on documentation instead of actual testing. Like, okay, after executing a scenario, tester often required to write documentation. Like, okay, we maintain the documentation where we can able to maintain each and every step, whatever we did. Example, which includes like, okay, test case step, capturing screenshot, recording some expected actual result. Even we prepare bug report and even to reproduce that particular bug. Again, we have to maintain all the required steps, even updating sometimes, okay, all this documentation into Jira or maybe into Excel sheet, correct? So while documentation is important, I can say that it is also repetitive and time consuming process. And as a tester, you might also feel this, right? That we are spending more time on writing about testing, than actual testing the application. So let's take a simple example. Imagine you are testing a user registration feature and you open application. In fact, you enter details, submit the form, or where you can able to verify some success message also. Now just think, actual testing take place, okay, how much time? Like hardly 2 3 minutes, correct? But after that you need to write all the steps, attach screenshot for every step, or maybe update these details into management tool, maybe whatever tool you are using. But then same task suddenly, okay, that 3 minute testing activity becomes 15-minute task. What do you think? Correct? So now imagine repeating this process for dozens of scenario every day, and that is again challenging, guys, because that will impact on what? Productivity. We are repeating manual work, even, okay, less time for testing. And as a result, I can say that, okay, testers spend valuable time on only documentation, guys, maintaining documentation instead of exploring the application, instead of finding more defects. So how can testers spend less time on documentation, right? Even more time on testing? Is it there any smarter way to document our testing activities? So answer is yes. This is where everyone Selector Sub TestCase Studio tool will help you. So this tool automatically capture user action, the test execution step, and the best part is not only for manual testing but you can use for automation testing also. As soon as you record this test, okay, particular step, means suppose you are testing application, you are recording some step, right? What will happen? It will generate, your driver command, even playwright command directly in the tool. And these, okay, that entire script you can copy paste, use it in your editor, and basic, okay, you can just make some basic changes and execute that test case. So basically this tool will help you in multiple ways. Even the best part is for every step we can able to capture a screenshot. Let me show you. Okay, so basically everyone, this tool is available on Selectors Hub website. As a plugin you can again download to any browser, correct? So suppose this is the application which I would like to automate, or I mean to say I would like to record the steps in manual plus automation way. So how exactly we can test it? So first of all you have to open this tool which is added as a plugin. Once you open, you can see this is the tool detail, right? Now tool is open. Now I can do what? I can easily record my steps, okay, directly inside the tool. How? Guys, first of all you can see there are multiple options are available. So whatever steps you will perform, whatever data you will enter, even expected result, everything, okay, even XPath, CSS selector, your playwright commands also it will generate. And you can see screenshots also it will capture. Let me show you now few things here. So for example, I'll go back to the application. I'll firstly click on this sign in, right? Now I will enter here some test data. I will follow here, okay, test at the rate gmail.com. Okay, done. And suppose I'm writing here test123 as a password. Let me check just checkbox and let me just click on submit button. And then, okay, suppose I will be just performing sign out also, right? So whatever step I just perform here, now you can see it got recorded here in this tool. Isn't it amazing? Now you can focus. Every step got recorded, right? Open website, click on body element, click on sign in. I just perform some enter step, right? Enter email ID, enter password. Each and every step got recorded here. And along with that, okay, you can see test data also captured. Even you can see different XPath, CSS selectors also generate. See the playwright command, right? This is what page.locator we have to write. Okay. Even you can just check this, okay, I mean just use this particular button and you can set the driver commands as well. See, click, and all the XPath, all the CSS selectors you are getting in the format of Selenium WebDriver commands, right? Even you can see for every step screenshot got captured. If I can show you this one, see, this is how I enter username and the password. I mean, this is step for username. And here you can see the step also. Yes, one more amazing feature. You can see for every step, whatever you did, right? You are able to see the step also, and this is your screenshot. Correct? So, guys, basically in this tool, this is how we can able to capture our steps. Even you are getting some automation script also, which you can directly copy from here, and all the commands you can directly write in automation tool, and where you can check the execution also. Another best part, okay, you can see here, if I can just click on run button, we are able to execute, okay, this complete action. Look at the screen. All the actions, okay, whatever I completed, this is what I'm getting here. So I can able to execute also current test case. I can able to document also all this entire steps, right? So this is how, okay, in TestCase Studio, we can able to record each and every step. So instead of writing manually everything, okay, everything from the scratch, can I say that tester can quickly generate documentation now based on this, okay, based on their actual testing with the help of this tool? Absolutely yes. So basically, challenge is not creating documentation, challenge is creating the efficiently, okay, creating the documentation efficiently without reducing testing time. You know, that's where, okay, test case studio simply help you, okay, for QA engineer to spend less time on documentation, correct? And even more time on testing. We can easily focus more on testing, guys. So basically explore this tool for more detail, and thank you for watching.